What's going on, guys? Here I have Roborock's latest and greatest robot vacuum. This is the Q Revo, and it has automatic vacuum as well as mopping. It's got an auto empty dustbin, and auto empty fill, and dirty water tank. So let's go ahead, unbox it, set it up, and check it out. So looking at the box here, we're gonna flip it over to the side, and you can see inside of the box we have the Q Revo, the dock base, disposable dust bag, power cable, rotating mop modules, as well as the product manual. Here's a quick look at the back of the packaging, just goes over all those features again. The Q Revo features obstacle avoidance, so it will not go over shoes, power cables, things like that. It's got dual spinning mops as well as automatic mop washing. So once it's finished mopping, it will clean the mop head. It will also dry the mop head, and it will empty it to an empty dirty water tank. It also has dustbin emptying for the vacuum function, as well as automatic tank filling to fill clean water. And lastly, here's a look at the other side of the box. Let's go ahead and unbox this now. So inside the packaging, we have a Roborock logo, and it tells us to read the quick start guide for the first time, which is located on the back here. All right, inside the box, we have the dock base here. We've got the 2 mop heads, dustbin bag, safety guidelines and certifications, the Q Revo robot vacuum here, and it's actually quite heavy. We also have a power cable. Here is the dock. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is take the dock base, click it into place, gonna plug in the dock. It appears we already have 1 dust bag installed. And to plug in the dock, we're gonna turn it around to its back. And we can route this cable around the side. Once we have the massive dock plugged in, we're gonna take the 2 mopping pads, and they've got a hex design. We just simply pop them in. And I'm gonna go ahead and put the robot into the dock. The back side, these 2 connectors connect to the dock for charging. And on the robot, the right side is the clean water tank. So I'm gonna take that, fill it up with some water in here. So you can see I've got my clean water tank filled, and we're just gonna pop it right into the dock. And if I was to go ahead and press the power button on the robot vacuum, it would start cleaning. However, I'm going to install the app. And again, we're gonna use that quick instruction manual here. And scan this with your phone. It'll take us to the App Store to download the Roborock app. And once you scan that, the app will appear here. You would basically create an account, sign in, and then on the top right, you use the plus icon to add a Roborock device. So you can see on my iPhone, I've got a few Roborocks here already in my account. And basically to add the new Roborock, we sign in and press the plus icon, allow it access to the camera, and we're gonna scan the QR code located on the robot. So the QR code is located right here. And on the screen, it's gonna tell us to reset the robot's Wi-Fi connection by pressing and holding both the power and dock button.
Resetting Wi-Fi.
Now it's gonna ask us for our Wi-Fi password. All right, so now it is fully connected. It's gonna probably ask us to install an update. Agree. Next, next, next. And we'll do an update. All right, so now the update is finished installing. We're gonna back out here. And to start the vacuum, we simply just hit the clean button. It will automatically map your house for the first time. So again, this robot will not have a map of your house until you hit the clean function first. So go ahead and hit that, and it will automatically use its LiDAR to start mapping out your house. All right, so here is a quick view at the Roborock cleaning. You can see on my phone here, it's using the LiDAR to map the house right now. Again, on the first clean, you'll need to run it once to map the house. And you can see it is mopping the hardwood. All right, guys, so once the Roborock is completely set up on your mobile device, it's really easy to use the vacuum. Personally, I just have it set on an automatic schedule, so it cleans every morning right before I get out of bed. And by the time I finish my brushing my teeth and everything, come downstairs, it's all complete and the house is clean. One thing I want to go over is the clean water tank, which is located right here. Simply just lift it up, and you can see it's full right now, but you just fill it there. Dirty water tank is on the left side, and the robot will notify you when the tanks are empty. In the center here, this is the dirty dustbin, and this will last for several months. And here's the robot itself. If you don't want to use your phone and you just want to turn it on for one-time cleaning, you just hit this power button and it will automatically start cleaning. Now you can also grab the robot, take it to a different room in the house, take it to a different level, and it'll remember that map and navigation, and it'll work perfectly fine. And also before it starts to clean, you can hear it's gonna clean the mop once, and it's gonna fill the water into the Roborock so it has a full tank ready to clean. Also, it will come back to the dock every 15 minutes to clean the mop pad so that it is not too dirty, and then it'll go start and clean again. If it is low on battery, it'll come back charge, and then once it's got enough battery, it'll resume cleaning your house again. So now let me show you the app. So here's the Roborock app. I want to do a quick overview on the app. This is not meant to be an in-depth guide. However, you come here, and this is the home screen. You can see the Roborock Q Reno at the top. We're going to tap into it. It'll show us our battery level. And to start cleaning, we just hit that clean button, or to send it back home, we hit that dock button right there. You can see it's got fully mapped out my house already. So once it cleans once, it'll map out your house. On the right-hand side, this is the settings, the default settings whenever you run the vacuum. So you can see the suction power is on balanced here. I can change it to turbo or max mode. I just keep it on turbo balance mode, because my house isn't too dirty and I like the volume to be a little bit lower. Water flow for the mop so that it leaves more or less water. You have these two options between route, and this left one is fast cleaning mode. I just use the standard mode because I'm not pressured on any time or anything like that. If you want to just do mop or vacuum only, this is those settings here. And you can also customize these settings for specific rooms if you wanted. But I just like to leave mine on balance and medium. So on the top right here, you can come in here, manage your maps. So this will remember multiple rooms, multiple levels on your house. You can set the schedule right here. And this is where I add in a schedule, and you can have it clean every day on a weekday at a certain time. And backing out, we have the obstacle avoidance settings here. I just set those to default as well. We have some of the things like robot voice, robot settings, simple stuff like that. We have history, maintenance. Maintenance will tell us how much life is left on the robot. Various sensors as well as brushes. And that is a quick overview of the settings. If you guys do have any questions, go ahead and leave them down below. I do have many Roborocks, as you can see on my account here. So if you have any questions on any Roborocks, leave those down below. If you did find the video helpful, please leave me a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, check out my channel for tech videos, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.